today in Narayana, there's a riot of celebration happening, and I have the directors of Narayana joining me in this celebration. So let's go and get their reactions. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, what do you have to say? It's been an exceptional result. Were you expecting this, or is it beyond your expectation?
Hi, first of all, congratulations to everyone, all the students, all the parents, and the entire Narayana group. It's such a wonderful result. Every year we keep waiting for advanced results because students prepare intensively, and this year also, as always, below 20 in open category, we have 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, and below 100 till now, we have 24 ranks. As you know, advanced paper is really tough and it's super competitive. This year, as usual, the paper was tough. So many analytical, logical, reasoning questions were there, but our students make sure they studied hard. It's a lot of dedication, time management, resilience that goes. So I'm super happy and excited to see everyone here. I'm sure all the faces tell so much about today.
First of all, a very proud moment for the entire Narayana family, as it's seen every year. This year also, the excellence had been redefined by the achievement of the brilliant students here, which wasn't possible without the academic team support and the parents' blessings to them. And my all the best wishes to the entire fraternity.
Thank you so much, sir. So we also have our All India ranker, Sandeep, here. Let's catch his reactions also. Sandeep, first of all, huge congratulations to you. So how are you feeling?
Really happy.
And what was your parents' reaction? Were they expecting this?
I mean, they're expecting a good result, but this is a really good result, so they're also really happy.
And how are you planning to celebrate it?
I'm going outside for dinner with my family.
So if I have to ask you, who would attribute this success of yours to, what would that be?
My parents, teachers in the Narayana group for giving me support for these 2 years.
All right. And what is your preparation strategy like? You know, what would one advice be to aspirants out there?
One advice would be to give your 100% for 2 years. That is the biggest challenge, and if you do it, a good result is guaranteed.
We have our All India rank topper here, Sandeep, but along with him, we also have his family members joining us and his grandparents. Let's go and catch their reactions as well. So, hi, sir. How are you feeling? Did you expect this sort of a result from him?
Hi, we expected and we are very happy. He got 5th rank, and it is all his strenuous efforts, and his parents also, they cooperated. He got this type of rank, and Narayana is good. With the help of lecturers from Narayana, he came up to this level. We thank Narayana.
He was in 10th class. Narayana identified him, and they gave very good coaching. They prepared mentally, physically, and in all directions. They gave very good coaching, and as such he got the 5th rank. And moreover, he stood first and got a gold medal in International Olympiad in Chemistry conducted in Dubai by the able coaching of Narayana. Thank you.
నారాయణ కొంచెం చాలా బాగుందండి. మా పిల్లాడు బాగా షైన్ అయ్యాడు. చాలా సంతోషం మాకు.
This is my little brother Sandeep. I am super proud of what he has done. This was his dream and he has achieved it, and I am so happy for him. I think we all are. Congratulations.
Hello all, in this riot of celebration, I have the Andhra Pradesh state topper with me. Let's go and catch his reactions. Hi, first of all, huge congratulations to you. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very happy.
And who would you like to attribute this success to?
I would like to attribute this success to my parents, Dean sir, and all my faculty members. They supported me in my tough times, and when I used to get less marks, they used it to again motivate me and kept my energy high.
Happy about my son's achievement, and we are really thankful to all the staff of Narayana for constant guidance from class 9th, and thank you so much, sir.
First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. It is a proud moment, sir, because kids' achievement is something which parents always need. Congratulate my son, and at the same time, it is the school support. Though the kid is having that capability, the right mentor is required in everywhere. So we are very fortunate to get that right mentors. Each and every teacher, we are really happy, and the school, the way they bring up, the college, they look into the particulars of the student along with their emotional support and also the academic support. So these things are very much required, and I always attribute this success. If something is happening, it is because of the kids' efforts, parents' influence, and also the teachers, right teachers in the system. Thank you so much for the entire Narayana group for giving this opportunity.
My name is Darshan. So I actually joined in April of 2024. It's been a wonderful journey. I worked hard for 2 years and I have realized my dream.
And what do you think worked out for you?
Just following the teachers and doing whatever the system has.
Right. Any tips that you would like to give to aspirants out there?
Work hard, be confident, give your 100%. That's the only.
My name is Sai Rituk and I've secured a 140 rank in advance.
Okay. Congratulations. So, first of all, tell us how are you planning to celebrate?
I'll celebrate with my family and friends will go out or something.
And what were your parents' reactions?
They were really happy with the result.
Okay. And so, if I have to ask you, what actually worked out for you?
You don't have to solve all the questions. Whatever you do, you have to get it right.
And what do you have to say about Narayana as an institution? What role did they play in your success?
They're very good mentorship and they tell you what to focus and what not to focus. Yeah, that's good.
And any advice to all the aspirants out there?
Definitely try to work on your accuracy and
Perfect. Tell us a little bit about your entire journey. How has that been and what worked out for you?
April 2024, and then I was in Narayana for that, and I was preparing from the Narayana materials.
Okay. So how helpful were the Narayana materials, if I have to ask you?
NLearn was very helpful, and the structured plan was also very helpful as well.
Right. So was there any subject for you which was a nightmare?
Mostly chemistry and physics.
And how did you tackle that?
I spent more time on NCERT for chemistry, and then I solved more problems for physics.
Any advice that you have for fellow aspirants out there?
Chemistry NCERT is very important, and they don't need to do much more than that.
Hi, I'm Anvi.
And what's your rank?
I scored 198 rank in JEE Advanced.
Huge congratulations to you. To all of you out there, she's also a girls topper right here. So tell us how your journey has been, right? What actually worked out for you?
There was a constant support from my teachers and parents. They continuously motivated me to do well, and I guess I'm here.
And that worked out for you, right? What about the institution as a whole? How did Narayana actually aid in your success?
The tests and the test series and error lists and everything helped me out a lot.
Any advice that you would like to give to fellow aspirants out there?
Just stay confident and be consistent, and you can do it.
Perfect. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Hi, I'm Sanvi. I'm secured a 158 rank and I'm very happy for that.
So tell us what actually worked out for you. What do you think really cracked this for you?
I would say Narayana structured planning and methods, everything has worked out brilliantly. Like they have been there for us, the teachers and our parents have been there for us. So yeah.
I am Aditya Thakur. I have scored AI at 22.
Huge congratulations to you. So tell us, what was your reaction like when you saw that result and how did your parents react to it?
Everybody was surprised and so we were quite happy.
And any advice that you would like to give to fellow aspirants out there?
Just believe in yourself and stay consistent.
I'm Asna. I secured a rank of 539.
Huge congratulations to you. So tell us what actually worked out for you.
Practice.
Practice is the key thing which worked out for you. Any advice that you have for other students out there?
They should practice and self-assess themselves and be confident about themselves.